Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to run DirectX 12 on Warzone 2 for the PC. It's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is type in run. In your search bar, type in DX12 for the DirectX dialog. And from here you can see whether or not your computer can actually run DirectX 12. From here, go to the display tab. And on the right hand side, you're going to see a bunch of numbers. If you see numbers like 12_0, 12_1, etc., then you probably can run DirectX 12. If you do not have these numbers, then you probably cannot run DirectX 12, and then you'll have to just force it to run in DirectX 11. If you can run DirectX 12, I recommend you update your graphics card for NVIDIA if you have NVIDIA app. If you do not have it, I recommend you download it, and then you click on graphics here, drivers here, and then you download the latest driver. And also, I'll put a link in the video description below, but from here you can download the newest version of DirectX 12. So run that to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if you cannot run DirectX 12, what you can do is force the game to run in DirectX 11 by going to Library, right-clicking on the game, go to Properties, General, DX11. Now, if you do not have the game on Steam, you can say add a game, add a non-Steam game, find it from this list, add it to here, and do what I just told you to do. Now, if you are still having an issue, what you do, go to search, type in CMD up for a command prompt, right-click on it, say run as administrator. From here, this black box will type in SFC /scan, now all one word, hit enter. And this will find all of the corrupted files on your Windows system and automatically replace them. This is very handy. This will take a couple of minutes to fix. After it is done, close this, reboot your system, and try it once again to see if the error is still persisting. This should fix the problem. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.